Introduction. Indian Railways, as you know, as one of the world's largest railway networks, spanning around 1,04,647 kilometers of track, initiates a transformative endeavor, that is, redevelopment of railway station in India. Acknowledging the urgent requirement of modernization amidst rapid urbanization and economic expansion of the country, the government have introduced the Amrit Bharat Station scheme in 2023 and is implementing the same scheme in very rapid speed. So the objective of our study is to study the stability of engineering procurement and construction procurement model in railway station redevelopment projects and understand the rationale behind selecting the EPC model for this project and evaluate its suitability for railway station redevelopment. Scope of study: the focus for railway station redevelopment with the new Delhi railway station redevelopment project as reference project, and a major uh, case study would be Ahmedabad railway station. We will be analyzing EPC procurement model, including bid documents, tender, bid queries, clarification to determine and their impact on project execution. Research methodology: first we will start with understanding the research objective, then literature review, data collection, data analysis, and then conclusion. Literature review. So, what do you mean by railway station redevelopment? Railway station redevelopment usually means that it entails a comprehensive program focused on improving the physical infrastructures by providing or enhancing the existing facilities on the railway station and improve the experience of passenger while maximizing the land usage and making monetary benefit to the Indian railways. So the major uh, government nodal agency which were involved in the development of railway station were IRSDs, which was formed in 2012 through a joint venture which dissolved in 2022 due to the overlapping of roles with RLDA. Its functions were then transferred to RLDA, consolidating railway station redevelopment and efforts under a single authority governed by Railway Act. With this transition, RLDA was entrusted with the responsibility of overseeing station redevelopment initiative across India. The Amrit Bharat Station scheme aims to modernize and enhance 100 1,275 railway stations across India, focusing on accessibility, facilities, cleanliness, and connectivity. It includes upgradation of station structures and integrated with city areas, providing amenities like free Wi-Fi, local product kiosks. Special emphasis and a budget of 10,000 crore have been allocated for major stations like New Delhi, Ahmedabad, and Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharashtra. The timeline in the figure in the left side, in the right side, illustrates the evolution of railway station redevelopment initiative spanning from the early 90s to implementation of Amrit Bharat Station scheme in the 2023. So here are the list of 275 stations which are to be built. The major three projects are there for which railway station redevelopment has been planned. That is New Delhi railway station, Ahmedabad railway station, and Mumbai railway station. And a budget of 10,000 crore has been allotted by the government of India. So the current status of project is for 34 projects are under planning phase, 41 projects tender has been awarded. For 22 projects are under execution. 3 projects have been completed. Our major focus would be on the major railway station of three station redevelopment projects, that is New Delhi, Ahmedabad, and Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. And we then collected the data in two ways, that is primary and secondary. This one is primary. We collected the primary data through questionnaire which was developed on Google form and it was spread with various professionals in the industry. Second is interview. In person semi-structured interview was taken and responses were recorded. Actually, we were able to collect 30 responses from industry experts with different roles and experience in person. Semi-structured interview was conducted for 15 industry experts. Our focus interview group was real estate developers, designer, contractors, client, consultant, and academicians. Structure of our questionnaire was like questions from respondents information was 6, project specific information had 6 questions, feasibility study had 3 questions, contractual conditions questions were of 12 numbers, challenges for challenges 1 question was asked, and for optional section 3 questions were asked. Structure of the interview was divided into 2 parts. Part 1 consisted of basic detail of the interview, and second part consisted of semi-structured interview, that is budget specific information, feasibility study, contextual conditions, challenges, and optional section. For secondary data collection, which involves analyzing the case study of railway station lead of the projects. Additionally, clauses from case study are compared with reference project standard EPC agreements such as Niti Aayog and FIDIC. The subsequent part of the analysis delves into the detailed examination of each of these documents, and conclusions were drawn from each of them to understand the procurement model which was adopted. Secondary data collection, Ahmedabad railway station was taken as case study, Delhi railway station was taken as reference study, and Niti Aayog FIDIC EPC agreement was taken for comparison of clauses with the model EPC agreement of R&D. The criteria for selecting the case study was the type of project we chose was railway station redevelopment in India. Type of contract was EPC, client was RLTA, and cost of the project was 2000 crore. As per the criteria given above for the selection of case study, and the railway station was selected as case study. Estimated cost of the project is 2563 crore, and New Delhi railway station has been selected as a reference project for study. After studying the tender documents of both the projects, comparison was done among both the projects and inference was done out of it. EPC agreement of RLD was compared with Niti Aayog and FIDIC. Documents referred for case study was tender documents, review queries, and abstract. Case study for the we have taken the case study for as Ahmedabad railway station. Ahmedabad railway station, as we know, is situated in the Gujarat's Ahmedabad division. It is the one of the largest railway hub in the state of Gujarat, and ranks second in income generation within the Western Railways following Mumbai division. Position along with the New Delhi-Mumbai main lane, it strategically intersects with the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor influence area, serving as Gujarat's primary railway station. Serving Ahmedabad city, it stands 10 km away from the Ahmedabad airport, functioning a pivotal transport hub and significant employment center due to its strategic location amidst a mixed land use. The name of the project, as we know, is Ahmedabad railway station redevelopment. The estimated cost for the project is 2562 crore. Construction period will be 36 months. Architecture and technical consultant is Tata Engineering Private Limited. The scope of the work is included in permanent demolition, permanent relocation of structures, iconic building, empties building, parcel buildings, underground tunnel development of facilities of airspace, air concourse, elevated to road, external development, roof facilities, platform development, and other MEPF related developments. For reference project, New Delhi railway station was taken. Ministry of Railway and RLT has embarked on the railway station redevelopment of Delhi since so long, and they have come out now with a state-of-art technology to enhance the passenger amenity and optimize revenue generation. Name of the project is Railway Station Redevelopment in New Delhi. Client is RLDA. Estimated cost of the project is 4700 crore. Construction period is 45 months. EPC contract, the contract is to be given. Architectural and technical consultant is Tactable, and project management consultant is yet to be appointed. Data analysis method, we have analyzed the data, the questionnaire with quantitative analysis, for which we did correlation coefficient analysis, cross tabulation, t-test, interview visit, qualitative analysis, similarity analysis, variation analysis. So these data represents the respondent's profile and respondent's designation. For data analysis, for the correlation test, we compared the two topics: the perspective of railway station redevelopment and the group of section 345, and the suitability of EPC procurement model. So we got after doing correlation analysis, we got our as the coefficient as 0.461, which reveals that alignment between the stakeholders' views on railway station redevelopment and EPC model suitability, contractual conditions, and challenges are same. T-test was conducted for the contractor and client group regarding their perspective on suitability of EPC procurement model for railway station redevelopment projects. After t-test, our p-value came 0.81, which shows that no significant difference in the opinion of contractor and client was there regarding the suitability of EPC procurement model for railway station redevelopment. Cost evaluation was done for the designation and experience of respondents, and we found that lower and middle management exhibit a wide range of experience spanning from 6 to 25 years. Conclusion. So critical risk was building a station in an operation dealing with unknown utilities and safeguard historical structures. Factors which were affecting timelines were significant contingencies, delays in obtaining the right of way, uncertainty. Reason for selecting the EPC procurement model was control over the design despite its advantage of single point responsibility, minimum risk sharing, readily available funding. Factors affecting traffic was it was to create a smaller multimodal transport hub for last mile connectivity, limited effectiveness of vertical development, and significance of conducting traffic assessment. Outcome of redevelopment: decreased congestion, improved safety measures, economic stimulation, enhanced connectivity, potential transport tourism growth, increased real estate values, and evolving consumer preference. Perception of dividing redevelopment project into work packages. It was ensuring project functionality and smooth integration. Comprehensive coordination was found very essential for a successful execution of such projects. Thank you.